Hey guys, sinenkinga entsha phela. Nangu mawethu la ingena enkingeni ngenqalo lwandle lo wakhona. So lwandle i-advice kaLazarus laphayana wahamba utshela ubaba wakhe ukuthi baba, uma wethu wena lo has been leaking information to ikhusela tech. Manje umsebenzi kamawethu usenkingeni manje, and I'm really stressing out, which is why I would like us to talk about this and more here on this video. But before continuing with this video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's continue with it. Honestly speaking, I thought that Sydney was going to dump Mawethu from the get-go. I thought that I was going to fire him straight. At least manje mnikeza warning ukuthi should I find out ukuthi wena uthathe information welika lapha, then phelile ngawo. Mina honestly speaking bengicabanga ukuthi after lento la yenziwe uLazarus, Lazarus, guys, I really did not expect that from him. I thought Lazarus was one of the good guys. In fact, yeah, what sense. Coming to think about it, yeah, the sense. Phela, Lazarus have always had a problem no matter. Remember, Mawethu was chowing Uzolega back in the day. So Lazarus phela, so that is why kubalula for him ukuthi vela team pin this whole thing. Mawethu akubo yena uMawethu who's going to take a fall for all of this. That is why nazocabanga ukuthi how Lazarus khohlala and stuff. Nah, igrudge phela amantombazane can make you do all of that stuff. So here's what happened. uLazarus tshela uLwandle uselwandle we're pinning this whole situation kuMawethu now. If Sydney is looking for someone to blame for yonke lento le, or someone to suspect ngayo yonke lento le, it is going to be Mawethu. So now nangampela uLwandle gijimiyani wotshela uSydney ukuthi etime as I'm suspecting ukuthi uMawethu yena was leaking information to ikhusela tech. uSydney yena ngoba isidom trusting his son eqhutshela ngonkosikazi wakhe obhedayo. Now vele I believe yonke lento le, went straight to Mawethu and told him ukuthi should it happen ukuthi when during pillow talk the information lies on tech wayihambisa ikhusela tech, then it's child for you, my boy. Now, the only good thing about this whole thing is that Uposha knows everything. So, should it happen, kuba ukuthi uMawethu is being fired on tech, then Uposha will be forced to tell uMawethu ukuthi baba, umuntu has been leaking information uLwandle. Nanokuthi ke uPosha naye ngamazi ukuthi why izokwenza yonke lento le, but ke umsebenzi career a relationship umjolo, I mean anything can happen emjolweni ngasolo umuntu omusha. So I understand the situation kaPosha. Bengilokhu ngibona nje in the comment sections but uPosha is a snake and all that. I mean I understand it. Umsebenzi baba. Hey, umsebenzi. So angazi guys, comment down in the comment section isho nicabangani about this whole situation kaMawethu, Lazarus, uSydney, uPosha. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it. Subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.